Are you sewing at home and you lack customers? Let's change that situation by following a few steps. Number one, start with your family and friends. I know this is not a popular opinion, but it has worked for me over the years, and I highly recommend you try this. Number two, be a business, not a hobby. That is where the problem usually is when we are running hobbies instead of businesses. When you change it to a business, people's attitude will change to what you do and your results will be different. Number three, set boundaries. Every relationship needs boundaries, just like your relationship with your family and friends as you do business with them. Don't leave everything to chance. Number four, be good at what you do. Everybody wants a good output. If you give them a good output, they'll be happier to do business with you. Number five, set goals for your business. Don't leave it to chance. Make sure you set goals to keep yourself motivated. That way your results will increase. Number six, ask for referrals, ask for reviews. Ask them to give you testimonials, and you can publicize this and get more people to know about your business. Ask them to tell other people about your business. If they like what you're doing, that way you promote yourself. And finally, review your relationship from time to time. Don't leave everything to chance. If there are areas that you need to work on, make sure you give in the work. I hope this helps someone.